Now, if you missed last week's video, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description, but basically I was unable to use a volume license key on a trial ISO image of Windows Server 2022. So I had to wait for Microsoft to enable the ISO download links from the volume key license management site. Alright, so here we have the server. I went ahead and created a snapshot on it real quick, so I can revert it afterwards if need be. Let's start her up. Liquid Cypher tweeted and asked me whether or not I tried using DISM, and I actually did not. I completely forgot that it could do that. I did play around a little bit with SL Manager, but I was unsuccessful at that. So let's give it a shot, shall we? It says we need some updates. I will do that later. So I'm going to run DISM online, get current edition, just like that. Data center eval, backspace this part way, put this to target editions, data center. Cool. Click on that and copy that. All right, so I've got DISM/online/set tac edition : server data center, which I retrieved from here, /product key : and then the product key for the installation, space /accept EULA. Moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Well, that sucks. It might work with retail keys, but apparently it's not working with volume license keys. Now, if you've also tried this out yourself and you have a different result, go ahead and let me know what kind of key that you're using. The keys that I have are MAC keys, or MAK. You can see here, it says run this command again with the product key that is correct for the target edition. So it looks like it does not like MAC keys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.